Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to shed some belly fat fast, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into some unique superfoods that can help accelerate fat loss and get you closer to your fitness goals. But before we start, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our amazing tips. Let's start with avocados. You might already know they're packed with healthy fats, but did you know that they can help reduce belly fat? Their high fiber and monounsaturated fat content help control hunger, keeping you fuller for longer, which can reduce your overall calorie intake. Next up, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, chia seeds absorb liquid and expand in your stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness. Just add them to your smoothies, salads, or even water. Another incredible superfood is ginger. It boosts your metabolism, promotes digestion, and reduces bloating. Drinking ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals can help activate fat-burning enzymes in your body. Let's talk about green tea. This drink is often hailed as a fat-burning beverage, and for good reason. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins, that help boost your metabolism and burn fat faster. And finally, coconut oil. Unlike other fats, coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily used by your body for energy. This helps to reduce fat storage, particularly around the belly area. So, there you have it. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can significantly help in shedding that stubborn belly fat. But remember, no food alone is a magic solution. Combine these with regular exercise and a balanced diet for the best results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know which superfood you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.